on. Go skateboard, Max.
Max. Alright. Come on. Ah.
Come on, Max. Skateboard.
I gotta teach him how to do it.
No, Max. Go like this.
Come on, let Chris will show you. Come on. Step up. Come on, you're a good boy. Come on. Come on. Step up. Come on. Yeah, get up on there.
There's chocolate, and then there's this.
No, we're not gonna tear it up. We're gonna ride it. No, like we did the car.
It could make you melt.
Gotta do it like we did the car, okay?
To the 1th degree.
Come on. You can do it.
Tangled is
You
here.
can do
It's
it.
laugh out loud
Yeah.
funny.
You ready? You ready? Okay, come on.
An absolute delight. 4 stars. Tangled rated PG.
Ready? Watch. Come here. No, he's trying to get it to where he can lay on you.
Ooh, hit me again.
Come on. Do it again. Oh boy, come on. Get back up here again. Come on, boy.
You heard the latest breaking news
Right here.
We have
Revealing affair details for the very first
Not the wheel.
this is E-News. Breaking news, celebrity interviews.
Come on.
E-News has the story straight from the source.
Come on.
News.
Come on. Yep, we're gonna go bye-bye. Come on.
Pacific on E!
Come on. No, let's go bye-bye on it.
The 2011
Right here.
injected Buick Regal.
Get back up here.
Visit
Step up.
Metro Detroit Buick dealer
Come
to
on.
experience the new class of world class today.
Now calm down. There you go. Now I look like a duck. Yeah. Okay, come on.
Nope. Get away from me.
so scared of it.
Get away from me.
I have to be a hooker for that to work.
He's really mean to him. Max is gonna get him one day.